And now, how we access the internet, right? Now, in today's generation, we access the internet on different screen sizes, right? We use desktop, we use very big monitors, which has a very different resolution. We also access the web on mobile app and mobile browser. Now, do you think we have to create separate pages for each of those, you can say, clients? So the answer is no. What we do, we use something called a responsive design. So responsive design is which can be changed or which automatically changes based on the screen size. For example, this is from Firefox. You can use developer tools to emulate it. I am emulating iPad and iPad OS, and you can see this is how my website looks. And on Galaxy Note, this is how the website looks. So this is a responsive design, means it automatically shrinks. You can see here the image is going down and automatically scales according to the screen sizes. There is another term which is called SEO, which is search engine optimization. Basically, the goal of SEO is to increase organic traffic to the website. You rank higher on Google, Yahoo, etc. And there are certain things that you have to do. For example, you put SEO title, site description, meta keywords, etc. Now, the biggest thing that you should keep in mind in SEO, there are a lot of things that you have to do. For example, you have to do keyword optimization. You have to make the content better. The quality should be better. There's certain on-page optimization, like improve the title, meta description, etc. So think of it in the web page, you are changing something to improve the quality of the web page. But the most important, as an AWS solution architect perspective, is the fast loading time. So in case your website is slow and there is some delay in your website, right? Your SEO, your website would be ranking low in the Google search. So this is pretty important. Your website should load in a jiffy. So fast loading time is pretty important in terms of improving SEO. And in case there is a question related to uh, in solution architect exam related to improving the search of a website, keep in mind the answer should be related to improving the loading time. All right, then there is mobile optimization as well. That is your website should work on mobile as well. So that is basically user experience in terms of your website should work on all the screen types. Now we have a term called web hosting, which is a service that allows individuals and organization to make their website accessible on internet. Basically, it is a package in terms of you can book your domain, you can do your DNS configuration, you can configure your server, and you can upload your code as well. So in AWS, this services are provided by Lightsail, which is kind of VPS hosting. And if we talk about what type of hostings are available, we have shared, VPS, dedicated, and cloud. Shared means you have multiple websites on one server. Dedicated means you have a dedicated entire server for you. And VPS is virtual private server. You have basically using Linux, you create partition on that server and you can use some portion of that server. You have cloud hosting, which is basically distributed across multiple servers. And these are some of the customization that we do in hosting, like storage, bandwidth, email accounts, FTP, database. So this is nothing to understand, but just for your knowledge that what are the types of hosting. These are not related to AWS Solution Architect Associate exam, but there might be some terms into the exam for certain solutions. So you should be aware of these terms. Now in example, this is an hosting example from HostGator. You have all these plans. For example, if you go with this plan, you can get 10 websites, this term of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, basic email, etc. So these all packages are provided by the hosting companies.